So now we can discuss about what are the productive things in your free time. That free time may be your weekend, that means Saturday and Sunday, and otherwise in holidays or otherwise in vacation also. What are the productive things you can do? Already up to part 7 we discussed, then it is part 8. Son, call a grandparent or auntie or uncle in your free time. Grandparents are also most important. Suppose you are 25 years of boy, you are working in Australia, Canada, or America, or UK, whatever it may be. Your parents are there in India. That means what you have to do, you have to phone to your grandparents. You should maintain some cordial relationship with them, and you may settle well, and you may get very good salary also. So if you want to settle your spouse means regarding your feelings and in your community and location means it is better to contact grandparents. They themselves will say when you will marry. Already it is 25 years, you should marry immediately, they will say. So likewise, calling grandparents it is an indirect blessing to you. Otherwise, calling an auntie also. Suppose auntie, that means your father's sister. Otherwise, any relatives also or uncle. And, those should be your. They want to like your prosperity and the safety of you. Are such good persons. So don't forget and phone to them. So calling a grandparent or auntie or uncle, it will give a very good support to your personal life. Don't forget that. So call to him, call to them, and talk with them prosperously, and it will give a good prosperity to your personal life. So wishing you all the best. And then another thing we can topic is do your laundry. That you may not like it, but you will love the feeling of it being done. So laundry means only washing clothes, but doing iron also. Suppose nowadays in India itself, for doing a pant and shirt, ironing is becoming 15 rupees. Only just ironing itself is 15 rupees, not washing. So if you in your free timings, in your holidays, if you do laundry means you washing machine. You put your pants, shirts, and all the things, all of your things. If you put in washing machine, it will clean out and then get it and iron yourself, and so much of money will be saved, and you will get very so much of money is saving. Money saving means that is your money and your wealth. So do laundry yourself and do iron yourself and separate your ironed cloths of pants and shirts also you can put in your almirah, otherwise in your bureau or yeah, in your cabinet. It gives a comfort to you and happiness to you. That is I want to share with you. And and the third option is make money online. In online making money also, so many websites are there and so many YouTube videos are also available. If you put in YouTube videos, make money online means so hundreds of videos will come. According to your idea, you can select one thing. But to make money online, one danger is also there. All online payments are not genuine. Certain things are daily paying is something better. Otherwise, in couple of days paying is better. Otherwise, if they feel that in typing jobs are there, at that time what they will do, if you give typing for 1 month, you will get that much and this much. That is okay. But they are paying after 1 month means it is very bad, because after 30 days we are not paying means what you will do? Your time and money will be you will lost your time and money also. So that time what you have to do, for a couple of days or $5 of money you should get immediately means it is very easy to you to believe, and you can do comfortably. So be careful regarding online works. That may be a typing job, or sometimes in this time it is the time of YouTube videos. So many YouTubers are doing so many uh, website YouTube channels are giving to their workers, to their team, regarding money making in online. through through viewing their YouTube channels, YouTube videos, and all these things. That time you should get very good money also. But that is good. But their payment is more. Their payment will say their sincerity. They are paying for every $5. It is okay, and for every week it is okay. But more than 1 week means you don't believe that, because if you lost your money for 1 week means you will be negligible. But after 30 days we will pay means don't believe that, because after 30 days means they won't pay means they will be silent means they will get your work, they are silent means what you can do. So these are very dangerous, and as well as it is very good also. If my saying about the paying pattern, always check your paying pattern regarding earn money in online, then you will be settled very well, and it is prosperous to your life also. Wishing you all the best.